Do you like to take photos as you go along? But as someone who doesn't know photography skills, you may have taken a whole lot of them without any good-looking photos. Don't be in a hurry to delete these so-called scraps. Perhaps they may also turn out to be something you didn't expect. This method is to change the composition of your photos. In layman's terms, it means cropping and adjusting the original photo, keeping and highlighting only part of the picture. Let's take a look at some examples. After cropping and color grading, the scrap is transformed into a perfect image. But there is a problem. These photos are taken by photographers who use professional equipment with very high pixels, so they are still clear when cropped and enlarged. But if they are taken with a normal mobile phone and the pixels are not very high, the pictures will be blurred when they are enlarged. So what do? Don't worry, you just need to enhance the cropped image a bit. Let's take an ordinary photo taken with a mobile phone as an example. Intercept a part of it. It looks much better now and has a cinematographic feel to it. But there is some blurring of details. Now let's enhance the cropped image. Okay, now open your phone and find a photo you're not happy with and try to optimize it. If it's not clear after cropping, remember to enhance it.